Choice today with the 2018 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, sunroof package, front wheel independent suspension, technology package, Sirius satellite radio, keyless start, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.